how to restart Samsung phone without button. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Samsung phone without the button. So maybe your power button is broken. I'll show you exactly how to restart your phone, even with that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. The first is going to be to simply swipe down from the top right, and this will open up a menu like this. If you swipe down from the top, you'll just see your notifications, but do it from the top right. You'll see this menu, and then in the top right, you'll see the power button. Select that, and then all you need to do is select restart. Now, if for some reason that did not work for you, it didn't come up, and it does not look the same as my phone, that's okay. We can also restart our Samsung phone using an accessibility option. So to do that, swipe up from the bottom and select settings, then scroll all the way down to the bottom. And we're just going to select accessibility. Once in accessibility, select interaction, and then look for assistant menu, turn that on. And when you turn that on, you'll see this little circle show up, and this will show up anywhere I'm at. So you can turn this off later, but all we need to do is tap that and then look for power off menu. So you might have to scroll to the right to the next page, then select power off menu, and then select restart, and then select restart one more time to confirm, and then it will reboot your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.